This rotisserie chicken pasta is an epic weeknight meal with butter, garlic, Parmesan cheese, all the flavors you love in an easy and simple recipe. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I share lots of my family's favorite meals, as well as how to cook videos and school lunch ideas. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I get to cook together a few times a week. To get this recipe going real quick, I've got some water boiling, and I'm just gonna go add the penne pasta in the water and give it a stir. While the pasta's cooking, I'm gonna make my sauce. I'm making it in a small saucepan. Why? Because once that's ready, I'm just gonna pour the sauce directly in the same pot that I was boiling the water. I'm going to finely chop a couple of garlic cloves. Now I have got my garlic cloves minced. I'm going to add both olive oil and butter into my sauce pot. I'm gonna add the garlic cloves, some salt, and my red pepper flakes. What I'm doing here is sauteing my garlic until it's nice and golden, and by combining the olive oil and the butter, I don't actually burn or brown the butter. It just gives it a nice buttery flavor. For this recipe, you can use Italian seasoning or fresh parsley. If you are adding dried Italian seasoning, you're gonna wanna add it now. It's been about 2 minutes and I can smell the garlic. It's nice and fragrant. I don't wanna burn it, so all I do is turn off the heat and let it sit there. This pasta's got about 2 to 3 more minutes left of cooking, and now is the perfect time to add my already cooked cold chicken in the pot. The water is going to hydrate and add moisture back into the chicken as it warms it up. This tip not only saves you time, but it also gives the chicken that freshly cooked texture that we all love. By the way, if you love tips like that one, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them to my videos for you. The chicken and the pasta are warm and they're in the same pot, and that awesome sauce that I just made is gonna be poured right over the top. All that's left to do is toss it around. I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese, and if you are adding fresh parsley, now is the time to chop some and add it in. Believe it or not, that's all there is to it. Now it's ready to be served, but you and I know we're gonna taste it. So good, delicious. You'll find the ingredient amounts for this epic rotisserie chicken pasta in the description box below this video. See you next time.